Hi guys, today I want to share with you Ogawa brush cutter LPS380. This brush cutter is using 4-stroke engine, which means it does not require tutti oil. You just need engine oil and RON 95 or gasoline. In this video, I will show you how to install and how to start the brush cutter. The gross weight is 8.5 kg and the engine is 35.8 cc. I prefer the 4-stroke engine comparing to the 2-stroke because it is more easy to maintain. Make sure the hole is upright before pushing in. Lock it with the push button on top. The shaft will be turnable after you install the thing. For the other end, push the shaft into the slot after you untie the screw. Watch till the end of the video to see the tricky wiring part and the tricky starting engine part. Join the wire and cover it with the rubber. For this part, slot it into the throttle level. For this side, it has to add engine oil. For the other side is gasoline or RON 95. If too much of engine oil is poured inside, put the engine oil to the ground level until it stops leaking. To install the blade, first you have to take out the nut. The nut is opened by clockwise. Slot the Allen key into the hole and stop the shaft to turn. To start the engine, first pull up the choke or open the choke. Start pulling until you heard the starting sound.
Ini ada naik tak?
Naik dah.
Sama dia. Dia ada jom.
For second time starting, you does not need to pull the shock again. Press the red button to stop the engine. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you find this video helpful.